Have you ever felt like you're working harder than ever, but your paycheck looks exactly the same month after month? You put in the hours, you bring results, yet you're stuck. And let me tell you something I've learned from personal experience. There is no one more frustrated than a person who knows their skills, their value, and their potential are way above what they're being paid for. That kind of frustration doesn't just make you tired, it eats at you emotionally. It makes you question your worth, and it leaves you wondering if you'll ever get the recognition you deserve. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people never get the raise they deserve. Not because they don't deserve it, but because they never learn how to ask for it the right way. Today we're going to fix that. You'll learn how to negotiate a raise, and just as important, what to do with the extra income once you get it, because the raise itself won't make you rich, but what you do with it can change your financial life forever. Step 1. Know your value. The first mistake people make is walking into their boss's office unprepared. If you want a raise, you need to prove why you deserve it. Track your achievements. Show the results you've created. Numbers speak louder than words. If you increase sales by 20%, if you saved the company time or money, if you took on responsibilities beyond your role, write it all down. Your boss is not going to remember everything you've done. That's your job. If you don't make your value clear, no one else will. Step 2. Timing is everything. You can do everything right, but if you ask at the wrong time, you'll fail. The best time to ask? Right after a big win, when you've just delivered a strong result, or during your performance review. Avoid asking during stressful company moments or when budgets are being cut. It's not about luck. It's about strategy. Step 3. Practice the conversation. Never go in cold. Rehearse what you'll say. Be confident, but respectful. Here's an example. I've really enjoyed taking on more responsibility this year, and I'm proud of the results I've delivered. Based on the value I've brought, I believe a raise is appropriate. Short, clear, confident. No need for begging. No need for endless explanations. Step 4. Be ready for pushback. Sometimes, even when you deserve it, the answer will be, not right now. Don't panic. Instead, ask, what would it take for me to earn a raise in the near future? This puts the ball in their court. It forces them to give you measurable goals, and it shows you're serious about growth. Step 5. Don't just focus on salary. If money isn't possible, look for other benefits. Extra vacation days, flexible hours, remote work options, professional development budgets. All of these add real value to your life and your wallet. The real secret, what to do with the raise. Here's where most people go wrong. They finally get a raise and immediately increase their lifestyle. New car, new clothes, bigger apartment, and suddenly they're back to living paycheck to paycheck. That's called lifestyle inflation. It's the reason so many people stay broke, no matter how much they earn. The rich play a different game. When they make more, they don't just spend more, they invest the difference. So here's your new rule. The next time you get a raise, save at least 50% of it. Pretend you didn't even get it. Use that money to build assets, pay off debt, invest in your future. Because the raise itself won't change your life. How you use it will. Hooking back to past lessons. If you've seen my video on the truth about 9-to-5 jobs, you know that trading your time for money will never make you truly free. A raise is not the finish line. It's just a stepping stone. The real goal is to make your money work for you. Remember this. Asking for a raise is not just about money. It's about self-respect. It's about making sure you're compensated for the value you bring. And once you get it, it's about using it wisely to break free from the cycle that keeps so many stuck. So ask yourself, are you ready to step up and claim what you're worth? Because if you don't, no one else will.